Pippin's Big Climb. Pippin the turtle lived in the middle of a flower garden. He was very small, and his legs were very short. Every day, he looked up at the high ridge. He wanted to see the golden pond on the other side, but it was very far away for a little turtle. One sunny morning, Pippin decided he would finally make the trip. He began to walk up the steep slope. The ground was made of soft dirt and tiny pebbles. To Pippin, every step felt like a giant leap. He kept his head high and moved as fast as he could. Suddenly, Pippin's foot slipped on a round stone. He began to slide backward. He tumbled and rolled all the way down to the bottom of the hill. Thump! He landed in the soft grass. He looked up at the long way he had to go and felt like giving up. A small bird named Lumi flew down from a bright sunflower. She saw Pippin looking sad and landed nearby. "Don't stop now, Pippin," she chirped. "The view from the top is like magic. You just have to try one more time. I know you can do it." Pippin took a deep breath. He didn't stay on the ground. He stood up on his 4 sturdy legs and started to climb again. This time, he looked carefully at where he put each claw. He searched for the firmest patches of dirt and the strongest roots to hold on to. Halfway up the ridge, a giant, twisted tree root blocked his path. It was much too high for a turtle to climb over. Pippin stopped to think. He didn't turn back. He walked to the left, then to the right, until he found a tiny gap to squeeze through. The sky turned gray, and cold rain began to fall. The ground became slippery, and the mud felt like soup. Pippin tucked his head and legs into his shell. He didn't slide back down. He held onto a heavy rock with all his strength and waited for the storm to pass. When the clouds finally parted, the sun came out to dry the path. Lumi flew circles above Pippin's head. "You are so close," she sang. Her happy song gave Pippin's tired legs a little more energy. He moved forward, one slow, steady inch at a time. Pippin finally reached the very top of the ridge. His heart was beating fast. He reached his front claws out, grabbed a tuft of thick green grass, and pulled his heavy shell over the edge. He was very tired, but he had finally made it to the summit. On the other side of the ridge was the golden pond. It was sparkling beautifully in the light of the setting sun. Pippin and Lumi sat together at the edge of the hill, watching the water turn to gold. Pippin smiled because he knew that even the biggest hills can be climbed if you just keep going.